Welcome back to the Real Estate channel. In today's video we will discuss the process of hiring professionals for your next home improvement project and making sure to cover all bases to avoid surprises and complications. Hiring contractors for a home improvement remodeling project can be a challenging task that must be done prior to starting any project to ensure that the work will be completed by competent and reputable professionals. With proper planning and preparation, you can make the process smoother and more successful. Here are some steps to help you hire and interview contractors for your home remodeling project. Determine your needs. Before you start looking for contractors, determine and have a plan for the scope of your project, what you want to achieve, and what your budget is. Knowing exactly what you are trying to achieve will result in accurate price estimates that will be less susceptible to changes down the line. Come up with a reasonable budget that is not too low and will allow you to complete your project with quality material and use qualified professionals. Research contractors. Get recommendations from friends or online communities, and do your own research to find contractors who specialize in the type of work you need. Check their credentials, reputation, and licensing status to ensure they are qualified to do the job. A contractor's reputation is an important aspect to consider when hiring someone to perform work on your home. A good reputation usually indicates that a contractor has a history of delivering quality work, completing projects on time and within budget. On the other hand, a bad reputation can indicate that a contractor has a history of poor workmanship, delays, and unhappy customers. To research a contractor's reputation, you can start by asking for references from previous clients. You can also check online reviews on websites such as Yelp, HomeAdvisor, or Angie's List. Additionally, you can check if the contractor has any complaints filed with the Better Business Bureau or your state's licensing board. It's important to thoroughly research a contractor's reputation before hiring them to ensure that you are making an informed decision and to minimize the risk of having a negative experience. Request quotes. Contact the contractors you are interested in hiring and request detailed written quotes that outline the scope of work, materials to be used, and detailed costs for each stage of the work. Make sure to ask for references and portfolios of their previous work. Interview contractors. Schedule a time to meet with the contractors you are considering. Ask questions about their experience, process, and timeline for completing the work. Make sure to bring up and discuss any concerns or questions you may have and ask for clarification on any aspects of the quote. Check references. Contact the references provided by the contractors and ask about their experiences working with the contractor. Don't be shy about asking for previous customers' jobs, photos or videos of previously completed projects. Pay close attention to the quality of their work, their professionalism, and their ability to meet deadlines. Compare quotes and choose a contractor. Review the quotes and compare the prices, services, quality, and costs offered by each contractor. You should also compare the contractor's vendors and material suppliers. Choose a contractor who you feel comfortable with, who has the expertise to complete the project to your satisfaction, and who is willing to work within your budget. Negotiate the contract. Once you have chosen a contractor, negotiate the contract to ensure that all details are clearly outlined, including the scope of work, materials, payment terms, and most importantly timeline to make sure the work will be completed within the time frame that was promised. Make sure to read the contract thoroughly and ask for clarification on any unclear points. By following these steps, you can find a qualified and experienced contractor for your home remodeling project and ensure a successful outcome. As always, thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you're new to our channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We publish new content every week, so there's always something fresh and exciting to watch. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. We value your feedback and always strive to improve our content based on your suggestions. Thanks again for your support. We'll see you in the next video.